Hi, it's Chris here by the Trenton Mersey Canal. We've just got back from Turkey yesterday. Blue sky and back to this. Yet more wind and rain. Still, not about poppies, fine. Just been for a little walk around the marina. And it's not about poppy. No problems at all, everything's okay. Still looking gorgeous. Still windy. Just got the pot rolling. Ready for tonight and put the central heating on. It's really windy. It's been windy forever. There she is, looking all gleaming and sparkling. We've got some swans nesting just over the other side of the bank. There's a few stove pots going at the moment. There we go. Boat beside us has gone out. They've been out for quite a while. There she is. We'll just go and have a look at these swans. They're right nasty things when they got young. Some geese up there. All the boats moored up. Two Steve Hudsons. That one's just been sold, this green one. The marina's quite full of boats. We'll go up here, see if we can see these swans. I see they're right nasty things. They attack your boat when you go past them. Here's some Canadian geese. Oh, they're flying off. There's hundreds of them. The only good thing, they don't fly over boats and make a mess. Here they are, these are swans. Won't go too near. There's another about poppy from another view angle. There's a swan on the nest. I won't go too close. I don't think there's any eggs in it yet. Marvellous. No boats about. Towpath looks nice and sludgy over there. So I'll just carry on with my jobs. So I hope you have a great day. Keep subscribing and give me the thumbs up. Thank you.